Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm going to show you how you can clean the grout in between your tiles. What you're going to need is this product, Zep Grout Cleaner and Brightener. It's actually amazing. You're going to need a little toothbrush and obviously a towel to wipe everything. So if you look over here, that's where I've went through it already. Now if you look here, you see how brown it is? That's because I have not wiped that yet. This has been wiped, so it's a lot cleaner compared to that. You can see it's like night and day. But what you're gonna want to do is pour a little bit of that Zep cleaner onto the grout everywhere you want to clean it, right? And then you let that sit for 3 minutes. And then after it's done sitting, I'll show you a prime example here. Take your little toothbrush and you start removing it. So as you can see, it took like literally all of that off. All of that. There's a little bit left there. You can go over again. Take it out. I guess the longer you let it sit, the better, because it gives it more time to soak into the grout and remove the dirt. But pretty much that's how you would clean the grout in between your tiles. So you can see here it's super black. There it's like white. I'll do it one more time for you guys. It's just satisfying watching it come off. You see that? So yeah, if you have like white tiles or white grout and it's dirty with those black marks, get yourself this little Zep product. I'm not partnered with them, even though they should probably partner me right now because I'm promoting them. But you should get this product, and it's great. Look at it. So if you're wondering how to do that, this is how you do it.